Hello, good evening everyone. So today once again I'm here with very interesting fact. आज मैं एक और fact के साथ हूँ. As I have taught in class 7 that about acid, base and salt, that importance of acids and base, it's really very exceptional in our life. हमारे लाइफ में उसका importance जो है बहुत ही exceptional है. उसके बिना हम that mean हमारा life incomplete है. Simply if we say that HCl hydrochloric acid that present in our stomach हमारे stomach में है, and apart from it that basic substance that we use like caustic soda, that is sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Apart from it many things are there that we are using in our daily life. So today I am here to check out whether the presence of acids or what is the nature of acid, how can we correct that acids. For example, I have that turmeric powder I have. If I place here, yes, turmeric powder, if I place it here, it become here yellow. Now this is turmeric powder, it become now yellow. Now if I add there सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, अगर मैं इसमें सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड ऐड करूँ, आई हैव सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है, ये हमारे पास सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड यहाँ पे है, दैट सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आई विल प्लेस हियर. नाउ इट विल चेंज इनटू रेड. इफ आई ऐड सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड टू द मिक्सचर ऑफ yellow powder, that is turmeric powder, it will become red. See, I add here sodium hydroxide, I have NaOH. This is add here. Now it is added. Now you can see the changes in the color that become red. That's so that there is in basic natures. It show here that turmeric powder. Now that showing it sodium hydroxide is in basic nature. Now see how dark red it is. If we add turmeric powder with sodium hydroxide NaOH, it become red. Now it can be done corrections. इसका correction हम कर सकते हैं by adding there acetic acid, that CH3COOH. That acidic chemical name, acidic formula chemical name is CH3COOH. I have taught in class 7 also. मैंने class 7 में पढ़ाया है ये. This is the dark color of red. ये dark color red का है. Now I will add there acetic acid CH3COOH. See here. Now it become again once again yellow only. It's not magic. It is science only. Now you can see that color is getting changed. आप यहाँ पे देखिए कि कलर जो है चेंज हो रहा है एसिटिक एसिड के थ्रू से. Now that converted again yellow. This is not magic. ये मैजिक नहीं है, बस एक साइंस है. Yes. So this is now yellow color. This is nothing, but it has been done correction. इसे correction कर दिया गया है by adding there acetic acid CH3COOH. So what have we learned today? That bases and acids that neutralize the effect of each other. When that turmeric powder I add to the water, it become yellow. Now sodium hydroxide I added there, it changed into red color. But as I use there CH3COOH, that is acetic acid, it became again yellow color. That means it came into its original position. That means that basic substance, that sodium hydroxide, when reacted with acetic acid, that both combine together and nullify each other effect. ये दोनों combined हुए और एक दूसरे का इफेक्ट को खत्म कर दिए, और जो सब्सटेंस हमारा था ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में वो वापस से ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में आ गया. दैट्स ऑल.